This video I explained you about if statements, if else blocks and all the conditional statements. There is one one more flavor of conditional statement called a switch. There what happens is instead of having multiple conditions, you will have one expression, and based on that expression value, you will choose the path. Okay. So I will just label the paths with the different values of that expression. So whenever that particular value is picked, immediately that path will be chosen. So this would be useful if you are having multiple, many large number of paths and with single expression. Okay. So let me frame that one. So now let's say the same script block. Let's say I have a variable grade with a single character. Let's say some a I kept. I can end the statements with a semicolon. Now I'm just writing this. Student got grade. Let's keep like this. Let's for appending. So if you see here, when I refresh that, I got like this. So this is the general statement. I'll end with semicolon. Now what I want to do is but for every grade, either A, B, C, and D, E, and F, for everything there will be a, I want to give some full detailed label also to that one. Like let's say for A I will give it as outstanding, like that. So for that what I will do is students grade is, I want to write here like this. Okay. So now for that what I will do is, let me save. Okay, both printed on the same line. Okay, right line is not there, I think. So what I will do is I will keep right only, and after this grade I will keep a new line character. Okay, students grade is okay. Even though it is coming as new line, when it is converted to HTML, it will be just a space there, right? So it is being excluded there. So I will keep BR here. Okay. Now see, after this grade is, I want to print that whether outstanding or like that. So for that what I will do is, based on this grade value I want to mention that, right? Switch, the expression is grade. Based on this grade value I want to fix it. So in this grade I can write like this. If the expression value, grade value is A, then it is case A. This is the first path. You can write in the same line or in a different line. Document.write, I will write outstanding. Next, same, let me replicate that. Case B, it will be I will write just below outstanding, it will be good. Next it will be case C. I will just write average. Case D. Let me write past. Just past. F failed. Okay, so now the value is like we have else block there, we can write just write default here, so that none of the cases works, so then it will come to the final one, right? Invalid grade. Okay, so what my expectation is, as I got grade A, here till here it will get printed. Later based on the grade value, as it is A, it will choose the first block. Outstanding should print, remaining should be skipped. But if you see, all of them is getting printed, right? Outstanding, good, average, all of them, including invalid grade, everything it is coming. Let's say, let me keep B. So first one, this case is not there, it got printed, didn't got print. But when it happened to know that it is case B, this is getting printed, and it is not stopping the printing. Remaining cases also it is adding to the list. So that's why what we can do is, we can break that execution of the switch when that condition is reached, and we'll keep here. Okay, semicolon is not mandatory if you are writing in a different line. And after default, I don't think it is necessary, because there are no other cases there after that. Now if I run this, only B grade thing is getting printed. So let me keep the value as some D. You see, it is printing past here. So based on the grade value, it is choosing the case block. The label will be the value of this grade which you are choosing. Understood? So you don't need to write on a multiple lines. So let me keep it in a single line and remove this break, and let me write it as A. Refresh. Outstanding, good. Yeah, it's a break is required. Yeah, outstanding. You can write on a single line multiple statements by just keeping with semicolon. Okay, so that is how the switch statements works. In the next video, I will explain you about loops. Thanks for watching this video.